Hello students, this video is for grade 8th, subject science, block 26 chemical effect of electric current, LP3 electrolysis. The aim of this lesson is to explain how electric current brings about a chemical reaction. The keywords are electrolysis, electrolyte, anode, cathode and ions. The resources required are transparent beaker or bowl half filled with tap water, 1 spoon of lemon juice, series circuit from previous day, S3 of volume book, notebook and science content book. Student, just think and try to answer these questions. Does solid table salt conduct electric current? Will solid baking soda conduct electric current? Why do their solutions conduct electric current? So let's see the answers. Common salt and baking soda, as they are solid, they will not conduct electric current. But when they are dissolved in water and electric current is passed through them, they conduct electric current because a chemical reaction takes place within them. This is called a chemical effect of electric current. So students, today we will observe the chemical effect of electric current. For this, you have to take the series circuit which we made in previous LP. You have to remove the magnetic compass from it. Take the beaker half filled with water. Add 1 spoon of lemon juice into it. Attach 1 iron nail to each of the loose ends of the wire. Dip these iron nails in it and switch on the electric current. What do you observe around the iron nails? Draw a diagram in your notebook to show your observations. Students, perform this activity if you can collect the resources given in the list. Now you can see such type of diagram in which the bowl or the beaker containing water, 2 iron nails which are connected with the terminals of the battery and inserted into the water, and some air bubbles are found around the iron nails. This process is showing electrolysis of water. Now there are some questions based on activity. What did you observe when electric current was passed through water acidified with lemon juice? What do you conclude from this observation? And what are some other features of chemical reaction? So students, when electric current is passed through water which is acidified with lemon juice, we observe bubbles around the iron nails. It shows formation of some gases. The chemical reaction has taken place in it. Change in color, deposition of substances and evolution of heat are some other features of chemical reaction. Why are bubbles formed when electric current is passed through water? What happens when electric current is passed through other liquids? What is the role of iron nails in the above activity? What is the role of water in it? And how does electrolysis takes place? So let's see them. When the current is passed through water, it splits into hydrogen and oxygen gas. These gases are seen as bubbles. Other liquids also decompose on passing electric current. This process by which liquid decomposes into simple substances on passing electric current is called electrolysis. For electrolysis, we need source of electric current or battery, a liquid or a solution in which chemical reaction occurs, which is also called an electrolyte, and 2 rods or electrodes. The iron nails are the electrodes and the water as the electrolyte in the above activity. The electrodes are connected to 2 terminals of the battery. The rod which is connected to the positive terminal is called anode, and the rod which is connected to the negative terminal is called cathode. When the electric current is passed into the electrolyte through the electrodes, the electrolyte splits into positive and negative charge particles called ions. And these ions move towards the oppositely charged electrodes. So this entire process is shown in the next figure. This picture is showing the beaker filled with water. Two electrodes are inserted into it and they are connected to the two terminals of battery. The rod which is connected to negative terminal is cathode and which is connected to positive terminal is anode. When current is passed through the solution, then it will splits into positive and negative charge ions. Positive charge ions are moving towards cathode as they have opposite charge, and negative charge ions are moving towards anode. How is electrolysis useful? So it is used in industries for manufacturing of many substances like hydrogen from water, sodium hydroxide from sodium chloride, metals like sodium, potassium and aluminium from their ores, and electroplating. So students, what we learned today? We learn about the process of electrolysis, in which we need one liquid called electrolyte, two rods which are connected with the terminals of battery, they are known as electrodes. One which is connected to the positive terminal is anode, which is connected to the negative terminal is cathode. Source of electric current is required in the form of battery here. And when the current is passed, the liquid splits into two type of ions and they will move to the oppositely charged electrodes. This complete process is showing that electric current is bringing here chemical changes. Now there are some quiz questions, try to solve them. What all is needed for electrolysis? What do electrolytes break into? Now students, try to finish your S3 of volume book and complete practice questions from the Exceed content book. Thank you students. Have a great day.